How to unblock someone on Bilibili. First of all, open the Bilibili app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the profile of the user you want to unblock by either searching the username in the search bar or selecting them from your followers or following list. Once you are on their profile page, tap the three dots icon usually located at the top right corner of the screen to open the options menu. From the menu that appears, select the Unblock User option to remove the block. After unblocking, the user will be able to follow you again, send messages, and interact with your content. Now you know how to unblock someone on Bilibili easily and safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.